Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning too.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Dubai, five years and 5 members.
And after
South,
Dubai?
Saudi, 2 members. And Iraq, Oman, Iraq 5 years, 5 family
Okay.
members. And here, Oman, Yemen, three members.
How old are the children with your present employer?
My employer,
Yeah. The children, how old are the children?
12 and 9 and 6.
Can you tell me what are your duties and responsibilities while on this job?
Only nanny.
Okay.
I don't know how to cook.
What is their nationality?
Yemen.
And how long did you work with this family? How many years?
2 years.
And
Two
why you
years.
decided not to continue your contract?
Because always deleted the salary.
And how much salary are you looking for?
Around 1,500 or above.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning or babysitting.
Okay.
I don't know how to cook.
And in terms of babysitting, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When a baby
Ma,
is crying, what will you do as a nanny?
I need to play.
Okay. And how do you know if the baby is sick?
He hot or always crying. Like,
Okay. And if the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
I will to call my employer.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Cleaning and reading the book.
And how long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
2 years.
Okay. Do you think you would be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
Yes,
Why?
because I'm honest. I'm hard working.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.